What's up, YouTube? Middle of a snowstorm here. Moving some dirt up on the same job in the equestrian center right now. I'm trying to fill in the road. You'll see here in a second. I'll keep going here. We got a half hour before we gotta go home, so. Hopefully my phone stays there. Fade in and out too much. The screen's all messed up. The camera is on the back side, so if everything looks backwards and everybody's watching me, that's not how camera functions are. No, it's not. Everything's opposite in this camera, so I apologize for that in advance. I can before home today. It's gonna get cold tonight. On it, it's nice and soft. Material on this job. Gotta move a ton more. I don't like having overhangs like that. I'm gonna just dig myself an overhang. I like to dig underneath it, watch it fall. Why not? for today. Came back, picked me off. I'm freezing. Luckily, I brought a huge wool blanket with to keep me warm. Put it down on my legs, kind of wrap it around the sides of the engine. The heat from the engine kind of comes up from underneath and only heats my feet. Wearing coveralls kind of goes all the way up, but boy, coveralls suck. Other than keeps you warm, but you don't fart. Don't fart in coveralls. That's just a bad idea all the way around. Dinner time, I'm hungry. Guys, I'm gonna finish off this last little bit and